What is it that could make even the world's greatest military powers stand up to the world? Nerve? How would they react if they knew that China has taken a step further in the race? Weapon with a game-changing weapon? Imagine a machine gun a powerful power that could wipe out anything in its path, and now imagine it's ridden in a combat vehicle designed to dominate the battlefield. Are you ready to discover the monster that China has just unleashed? Stay with us, because what you're about to seeing could redefine the future of modern warfare. To understand the importance of this new Gatling gun, it is crucial to first situate ourselves in the context of China's military buildup. Over the past 2 decades, China has invested astronomical amounts of resources in the modernization of its army, with the clear objective of position itself as a superpower, not only economically, but also militarily. This effort has been materialized in the development of cutting-edge technologies that compete with those of the United States and Russia, the other 2 great military powers in the world. The People's Liberation Army, as the Chinese army is known, has experienced a transformation that goes beyond the simple acquisition of new weapons. It has focused on the integration of new technologies, the creation of more agile units, and the improvement of the cyber capabilities. This approach has made China a formidable player in the sphere global military weapon, and the introduction of this Gatling gun is just the latest demonstration of its innovative capacity. The Gatling gun has a fascinating history dating back to the 19th century when it was designed by American inventor Richard Gatling during the American Civil War. Its creation marked a before and after in war technology, as it allowed, for the first time, fire a large number of bullets in a short period of time using a rotary guns. Over the years, the Gatling has evolved from a rudimentary tool to become a high-tech firearm. Today, modern versions are capable of firing up to 6,000 projectiles per minute, using an electrical system to spinning the barrels. However, what China has achieved with its new machine gun goes beyond simple evolution. Is a revolution in the very concept of what a Gatling can on the battlefield. Let's break down what makes this Gatling gun so special. In terms of caliber, the Chinese version uses 7.62mm caliber ammunition, a choice that balances perfectly destructive power with the ability to maintain a high rate of fire. The vehicle on which it is mounted has been specifically designed to handle recoil and heat generated by this machine, which can fire up to 10,000 bullets per minute. But the innovations don't end there. One of the most common problems in machine guns' high rate of fire is overheating. China has solved this problem with a high-tech cooling system that uses a special fluid to keep the cannons at an optimal operating temperature. This system is so efficient that it allows the machine gun fire continuously for much longer than any other system comparable. In addition, the automated ammunition system allows the vehicle to load and reload ammunition almost instantaneously. This means that downtime between bursts of shots is practically nil, which makes this machine gun a tool of incredibly effective suppression on the battlefield. The combat vehicle that serves as a platform for this machine gun is not a tank conventional. It is a lightweight, highly maneuverable vehicle equipped with high-performance advanced stabilization, allows you to shoot accurately even while in high-speed movement. This aspect is crucial, as the ability to shoot while shooting move gives the vehicle a significant tactical advantage in combat. In addition, the vehicle is designed to be resistant to enemy attacks. Its advanced shielding gives it can withstand impacts from anti-tank weapons, while its active defense system can intercept missiles and projectiles before they hit. This combination of mobility, protection, and firepower makes it an invaluable asset in any combat. Remember to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any content of this type. Without further ado, we continue. To better understand the magnitude of the advance that this new Gatling gun represents China, it is useful to compare it with other similar weapon systems globally. The M134 minigun from the United States, for example, has long been the benchmark when it comes to Gatling guns he is referring to. However, the Chinese version outperforms the minigun by several key aspects. First, the Chinese Gatling has a higher rate of fire, which makes it more effective in fire suppression situations. In addition, the cooling technology and cooling system China's automated munitions give it a sustainability advantage in combat. While the minigun needs brakes to cool down and recharge, the Chinese Gatling, you can keep shooting for much longer without interruptions. Military technology has always been a reflection of the state of international relations and the evolution of humanity. On the other hand, Russia also has its own version of the Gatling, known as the Yak-B, used in attack helicopters. While it's a formidable weapon, it lacks the integration advanced technological system that we see in the Chinese version, such as the stabilization system and the active defense of the combat vehicle. The introduction of this new Gatling gun is not just a technological breakthrough, it is also a strategic statement by China. By showing his ability to develop weapons with this magnitude, China sends a clear message to its global rivals. It is ready to compete at the highest level in terms of military power. This development could have significant consequences on global geopolitics. Countries such as the United States, Japan, and India, which have interests in the Indo-Pacific region, could see each other forced to reevaluate their defense strategies in response to this new development. The possibility that this weapon will be used in future conflicts in disputed areas, such as the China Sea Southern, tensions are rising in an already volatile region. In addition, other countries may feel pressured to develop or acquire similar technologies to maintain the balance of power, which could trigger a new race arms. In a world where military superiority often defines relationships, the introduction of a weapon such as this could significantly alter the global balance. The presentation of the vehicle-mounted Gatling gun is a clear indicator of where China's future is headed. War. With a focus on automation, accuracy, and the ability to cause a mass destruction, this new development could redefine the way in which the conflicts in the 21st century. To casual observers, this weapon may seem like just another sample of the military power of a nation. But for those who study geopolitical trends and the military history, is a reminder that the world is constantly changing, and that the nations, they will always be looking for new ways to gain an advantage over their rivals. As we move towards an increasingly technology-dominated future, it is vital that world leaders, military strategists, and ordinary citizens understand the implications of these developments. Global peace and stability depend on our ability to responsibly manage these powerful tools we've created. The question is not just how far this new Gatling gun can go, but how far we are willing to come as a species in our quest for power and control. And there you have it, an in-depth look at one of the most amazing and potentially dangerous of the modern military world. The Gatling gun mounted on a combat vehicle represents a significant advance not only in weapons technology, but also in how nations prepare for the future of war. As the balance of global power continues to shift, it is crucial that we stay informed and aware of the implications of these developments. If you have been interested in this topic and want to continue exploring more about military technology and its impacts on global geopolitics, don't forget to subscribe and activate notifications so you don't have to miss any of our upcoming videos. See you in the next episode.